The caribou, a truly splendid animal. It roams the vast open lands of the north. These are the Arctic and subarctic regions, a place of great beauty and great challenge. Many people also know these creatures as reindeer, especially their domesticated cousins in Eurasia. But here, in the wild expanses of North America and Greenland, they are caribou. Majestic figures with impressive antlers, often carried by both males and females. They are a symbol of the untamed wilderness. Their home is the tundra, a seemingly endless landscape. It is often treeless, stretching as far as the eye can see. For much of the year, the ground is frozen solid. Icy winds sweep across these plains. Yet the caribou is perfectly suited to this life. They have a thick coat of fur. This fur has hollow hairs, trapping air for insulation. It keeps them warm even in the bitterest cold. Their large, splayed hooves act like snowshoes. This helps them walk on soft snow and dig for food. Caribou play a vital role in their ecosystem. They are a keystone species. This means many other living things depend on them. They are a major source of food for predators. Their grazing also shapes the plant life. They nibble on grasses, lichens, and shrubs. This helps to maintain the balance of the tundra vegetation. Their droppings return nutrients to the soil. This helps new plants to grow. Their presence is a sign of a healthy, functioning Arctic world. For centuries, caribou have been essential to humans. Indigenous peoples of the Arctic have a deep connection with them. The caribou provide food, rich in protein and fat. Their hides are used for warm clothing and sturdy tents. Their bones and antlers are crafted into tools and art. These animals are woven into the cultural and spiritual fabric of northern communities. They represent not just survival, but a way of life, a heritage passed down through generations. Each year, many caribou undertake an incredible journey. This is their great migration. They travel enormous distances, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of kilometers. Why do they make such an arduous trek? They are searching for food. They move from winter feeding grounds to summer calving areas. These calving grounds offer fresh, nutritious plants for the mothers and their newborn calves. It is one of the most spectacular animal migrations on our planet. Imagine the scene. Thousands upon thousands of caribou, moving as one great river of life across the land. They follow ancient routes, paths used by their ancestors for countless generations. This instinct to move is powerful. It is etched deep within them. The journey is a rhythm of nature, a pulse beating across the northern wilderness. It connects different parts of their vast range, ensuring their survival in a land of seasonal change. The old lead the way, their wisdom guiding the herd. But this epic journey is filled with danger and hardship. The Arctic weather can be unforgiving. Sudden blizzards can sweep in, blinding the caribou. Deep snowdrifts make every step a struggle. They must conserve their precious energy. Then there are the rivers, swollen with meltwater in the spring, or dangerously coated with thin ice in autumn. Crossing these icy torrents is a perilous test of strength and determination. Many will not make it across. The terrain itself presents constant challenges. They must navigate steep mountainsides, clamber over rocky, uneven ground, cross boggy muskeg that can trap the unwary. Exhaustion is a constant companion on such a long march. The very young, the old, and the weak are most vulnerable. They might fall behind, becoming easy targets for predators, or they might simply lack the strength to continue. The migration is a story of incredible endurance, a testament to their will to survive. What fuels these incredible Arctic wanderers? Their diet changes with the seasons. In the short Arctic summer, food is more plentiful. The tundra bursts with life. Caribou graze on fresh grasses and sedges. They browse the tender leaves of dwarf willows and birches. They also enjoy mushrooms and flowers when available. This lush vegetation provides the vital nutrients and energy they need, especially for nursing mothers and growing calves. They must eat well to build fat reserves for the lean winter ahead. Winter in the Arctic is long and harsh. Green plants disappear beneath a blanket of snow. Now the caribou rely on a special food lichens, often called reindeer moss. These amazing organisms are a combination of fungus and alga. They grow slowly on rocks and soil. Caribou have a keen sense of smell. They can detect lichens buried deep under the snow. They use their strong hooves and sometimes their antlers. They dig craters in the snow to reach this vital winter food. This is hard work, burning precious calories. Life on the tundra means constant vigilance. Predators are always a threat. The wolf is the caribou's main natural enemy. Wolves are intelligent hunters. They often work in packs to test the herd. They look for any sign of weakness. A young calf, an injured adult, or an old caribou. Grizzly bears and black bears can also prey on caribou, especially during the calving season when newborns are vulnerable. Even golden eagles have been known to snatch very young, small calves. Beyond these large predators, other creatures can trouble the caribou. In summer, hordes of insects emerge. Mosquitoes, black flies, and warble flies. These biting insects can be relentless. They can cause caribou to lose blood and condition. The animals may spend so much energy avoiding insects, they might run to windy ridges or snow patches for relief. This can reduce their feeding time. It adds another layer of stress to their already challenging lives. Survival here demands toughness and awareness. The Arctic is warming, faster than almost anywhere else on Earth. This rapid climate change is bringing new challenges for the caribou. Their ancient way of life is under threat. Melting sea ice and thawing permafrost are altering the landscape. Snow patterns are becoming less predictable. Some winters bring deeper snow than usual. Other times, rain falls on snow and then freezes. This creates hard layers of ice. These changes can disrupt migration routes they have used for centuries. These changes directly affect the caribou's food. The thawing permafrost can alter the types of plants that grow. More shrubs may thrive, while the delicate lichens decline. Lichens are crucial for winter survival. The rain on snow events are particularly damaging. When ice encases the ground, caribou cannot dig through it. They cannot reach the lichens beneath. This can lead to widespread starvation. It weakens the animals, making them more susceptible to disease and predators. The very foundation of their winter survival is at risk. The changing climate also impacts caribou reproduction and the survival of their young. If mother caribou are malnourished, they may produce fewer calves, or their calves may be smaller and weaker. Unusual weather patterns can affect the timing of plant growth. If fresh, nutritious plants are not available when calves are born, many will not survive. Warmer temperatures might also allow new diseases or parasites to spread north, affecting the health of the herds. The delicate balance of the Arctic ecosystem is being upset. The future of the caribou depends on us. Conservation efforts are more important than ever. We must work to protect their vast habitats. We need to reduce human disturbances, such as industrial development in sensitive areas. Supporting scientific research helps us understand the challenges they face and how we can best help them. Working closely with indigenous communities is crucial. They hold traditional knowledge vital for caribou conservation. There is still hope for these magnificent Arctic wanderers, but we must act now, together, to ensure their survival for generations to come.